I hope everyone's doing well today. I just want to make this quick video about the GoPro 9 and this little door below the power button. Now, I couldn't find anything online, so I wanted to just share what I found out about what this actually is. So I bought this rubber silicone case on Amazon, and as you can see, it has a little hole there, and it has a little hole there. Mine has I added this little door here so I can get to my charger more easily. And I had this on and I didn't realize there was a hole on this side, so I was trying to open it, and it was until I broke it that I found out that it was not the right door. But basically this is a microphone drain, and I guess it's supposed to help with draining the water if you take it, or you submerge it underwater. It's supposed to help with wind noise, I guess you would say. So whether it affects it or not, if it's on or whatever, I'm not sure. But that's how it's supposed to go on. This is what I'm going to do. I actually have some really good glue here, and I'm just going to glue it back. I'm going to try to be careful not to get glue everywhere or glue on this actual microphone, which looks like a very strange mic, but so I might even do a test to see if it affects it. I'll hook my mic up and try it, but I just wanted to share this with you. It is a microphone drain, and whether or not it affects it, if it's on or off, I don't know. But I would leave it alone if yours is not broken. And, I kind of thought, at one point, I thought it was to hook a lanyard through, but I never actually tried. And I don't think there's a gap at the top for it to go fully through. But anyways, I hope this video helps someone out. If you did, please consider subscribing or leaving a like and a comment to help get this video out to other people. And thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good day.